Hey everybody, this is the same lock in the last video that I gutted here. I'll link it up in the corner if you want to check it out. I just picked it and gutted it. And people wanted to see it actually decode. So did a video on my other channel doing that, but I'll do one on this channel too. And I'll go cut a key for it. I don't actually have a key to this lock. I'm not even sure where this lock came from. It just found it rolling around in the back of my truck. So zoomed in here. So we're gonna pick it first, so put some tension on it. And 1 is stiff, a little click. 2 springy. 3 a little click. 4 springy. Little click on 5 and got a false set. And I know where the spools are. They're on 2 and 4. So click on 4, 2. Okay, and we're open. So now that we're open, we can actually decode it. Get it on camera here. Let's see if we get some focus going on. Hopefully we could see here. Hand out of the way. So start on pin number 1. And you're just going to slide it down. And that's going to be a number 4. We'll go to 2, which is a 2. And we'll go to 3, which, let's see, get it on 3. 3 is a 5. 4 is a 1. And 5 is a 4. Okay, so now write that down here. I'll run out and cut a key, and I'll be right back. All right, so we're back here. Back the camera out. The cool thing about these is you can take it out of the lock, so if you have to pick a lock backwards because the frame's in the way or something, you can still plug spin it. Go ahead and lock it back. There's our key. And bam. So it's a Kwikset lock there. It's picked with the Lishi, decoded, and I see we got a working key now. So. All right, any questions, comments, or anything, leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to everybody later.